Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward yet essential task: how to scan a passport photo, especially with the latest tech updates for 2025. Whether you're applying for a visa, updating your ID, or just digitizing your documents, this step-by-step guide will help you get it done quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, gather your materials. You'll need a clean passport-sized photo, a flatbed scanner, or your smartphone with a reliable scanning app. In 2025, apps like ScanPro AI or built-in phone features offer enhanced resolution and autocorrection, making the process even smoother. Step 1. Prepare your photo. Make sure it's free of any dust, creases, or smudges. Place it flat on the scanner bed or a stable surface if you're using a phone. Step 2. Set up your device. If you're using a scanner, connect it to your computer and open the scanning software. Choose a resolution of at least 300 dpi for sharp, high-quality results. For smartphone apps, select the document scanning mode and adjust the lighting for the best capture. Step 3. Preview and scan. Take a quick look at the preview to ensure the photo is straight and well framed. Hit scan, and let the device do its thing. It should only take a few seconds. Step 4. Save and review your file. Save it as a JPEG or PDF with a clear name, like passport_photo_2025. Double-check the image for clarity and correct any issues, such as blurriness, by rescanning if needed. A quick tip for 2025. Many apps now use AI to automatically enhance colors and remove imperfections, so experiment with those features for professional results. Remember, for official use, ensure your scan meets size and format requirements to avoid any hassles. There you have it. That's how you scan a passport photo like a pro. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.